this stuff here. What's up, everybody? We're back with some more square body fun. Look, guys, I know I don't have a whole lot of stuff to work on, a whole lot of different stuff, I should say. I got the square body and I got the Thunder Chicken, and yeah, that's pretty much it right now. You know, you can see I'm limited on space. My garage, I can't even get nothing in my garage. It looks like an LMC truck store blew up in there. I got an LMC box there, an LMC box there, an LMC box there, 2 LMC boxes there. I got transmissions out the wazoo. I got parts. I got more parts. I got more parts. So listen, it's starting to, the weather's starting to turn. It's starting to get cold. Not cold, but you know, chillier, especially in the evening hours. So I want to take advantage. This is my favorite weather. When you're a fluffy guy, 60, I'm gonna say 50 to 70 is like, that's fat guy weather there. So I want to take advantage before it gets even colder, you know, and that S word, the 4-letter S word, that stuff starts coming. That's a ways off, but it's gonna be here before we know it. So I want to get back on this square body before all of that starts happening. Get at least as much as I can done, and you know, then we'll go in there. Then I plan on, once it starts getting cold, that's when I'm going to rebuild that transmission, since I'm going to be in the garage, be out of the weather. It'll still be cold, but you know, at least it won't be snowing in the garage. But today we are going to pull this guy. Well, okay, this week we're gonna get this guy out of here. We're gonna get this out of here. We're gonna get this off here first before we pull it out. It's just like a weight distribution plate, you know, so when you get in there with your big old clod hoppers, it kind of distributes the weight across the floor. Science and stuff from 1973. So I want to put it back. All right, guys, I can't see where the spot welds are on this anymore because it's so rusted and rotted. So I'm just gonna get the old air hammer in there and get it up under there and cut them off that way. Maybe. There we go. There we go. There we go. Got it. For goodness sakes. Alright, now we got to drill out some spot welds up here and mark them with some marker, because it's hard seeing them. But there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. And then I do believe there's one right here. But I'm sorry, right here. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, and there's one. But they're really hard to see, so I want to make sure I marked them so I wasn't losing them. So we'll drill them out real quick, and then it should be loose from the cab, and we have to get this bolt out of here, which it'll come. We'll get it. We'll get her. little corner of it still attached there. I don't know how I'm gonna get to this one. Maybe I can come out at a little bit of an angle here. That one's gonna be a little tough. That airbox gotta be right in the way. Dang it. Yeah, that's pretty close actually. Oh yeah, I do believe it's loose now. All right. Well, that wasn't bad for guessing. When I put this new piece in, those holes are all going to get plugged, you know, fill welded or plug welded back to the new bar or the new cab support, so I ain't worried about all that too much. Not the way I really wanted to do it, but it's loose, so it's all that matters. This side is already loose. We already cut out all those welds, so now we just it's hot in there. Now we just got to figure out how we're gonna jack this side of the cab up. I'm gonna take the rear motor mount loose, get that bolt out. I got new cab mounts. Did I say motor mount? I bet I did. Oh, it's been a long day. We're gonna take the rear cab mount loose or out, take this front cab mount bolt out, and I don't know, I guess we're gonna test out just how strong this new rocker is, which she's solid. I mean, she's part of the truck now, so should work. If not, we'll find a different method for the madness. All right guys, let me show you what I got going on here. We got the cab mount bolt out right here, and I think I got all the spot welds. I did grind it down just in case I missed some, and I don't see any, but they're kind of hard to see, so I might have missed some. I did have the cab lifted up a little bit and tried to pull on it, and it didn't quite want to come loose from the back side here. I think I found another spot weld up front right there. I think we can just twist that one off. Alright, so the front side is loose. Alright guys, we are under the truck. So let me show you what I got going on here. If you look right up here, this is the bottom side of that cab support. As you can see, it's loose now. Got a little bit of a weld holding on right here, and then a little bit of a weld holding on right up here. So I got those loose. This thing is completely free of the cab now. So I just got to get that new one. I'm gonna grind it. Well, I'll show you, but I'm gonna get down here with a cheek poker or a death wheel, and at least get all of this under here cleaned up. And then I got some rust paint in there. I'm gonna paint the back of this with that after I clean it up. As you can see, the rest of the cab, you know, it's scaly. Some of the undercoating from before is flaking off, and the paint. A little bit of surface rust on some of this stuff, but overall the floors up here and these don't look too terrible. All right, so with this cab support, I'm gonna grind the paint off of it, like from here up on this side, and then all of this, and then I'm gonna hit it with that gold weld through primer I have. All right, get this paint off of here. All right, guys, I got this painted up with that gold weld through primer. This stuff here, copper weld, U-pole weld, #2 weld through copper rich primer. It's good stuff. But I got the paint taken off of it, and I got it painted up real quick. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna get my creeper out of the way. We're gonna jack the cab up, get this out of here, figure out what I did with the new mount, get the cheek poker, the death wheel, get that cab mount on the frame cleaned up, underneath here cleaned up, and get that thing welded to this before it gets dark. All right, I got it jacked up. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right. Let's get that thing cleaned up. We'll get some paint on it. All right, so I got a lot of the frame cleaned up pretty good. I got underneath here cleaned up really good, as you can see. Now obviously I'm not gonna be painting the hole under the cab and everything. I just simply don't have time tonight, and I got to get this video edited, or my guys got to get this edited so it can be out to you on Wednesday. So we're just gonna paint those areas that I cleaned up real quick. Get those cleaned up and get them painted real quick, and then we'll throw that piece in there and try to get it spot welded in there real quick, or plug welded. Yeah, all right guys, see how this stuff works.
Ooh, that's a blue one.
What is it? It's the handle off my grinder. Yeah, it was getting in my way.
That was, did you see that?
Man, this stuff is nice. Yeah, buddy.
Why aren't you letting me?
Come here.
Do I want to use that?
Yeah,
Is it hard?
a little bit.
A teeny? A teeny bit?
It's hard. You can try.
Is it a little bit hard? A teeny hard?
Yeah, it's hard.
A teeny? Is it hard a teeny?
Yeah, good. I don't know if you're gonna be able to. Don't put your hand in front of it. It's paint.
Huh?
Put your hand up there. That'll help you.
Don't on me. No, yeah.
Rub it on the tire.
No.
Keep rubbing it. That's all right. It's just a little paint. Look, it's on me too. Go ask Mommy if she can get it off for you.
No.
What? No, she won't. She's not going to be angry. Tell her you were helping me. See, she's right there. Go in.
What is that, paint?
Yeah. Paint. He was trying to help me. Thinks you're going to be angry at him. Tell him you're not angry at him. All right, so here's what I got going on. It's dark, I'm in a hurry. But, so, I got everything in here. This is all just loose, you know. But I got it, for the most part, lined up here. I put a bolt through here. This is one of the bolts for the seat. This isn't, it's a body, it's a body bolt, so whatever, but I stuck that through to suck all this up tight against here. So now I'm gonna spot weld these in here, and then I'm gonna go underneath and tap this one with a hammer and this one, try to get them up a little closer, but these are all close, so I'm gonna get those spot welded in or plug welded, and then we'll go up to the front, make sure everything's good to go. Oh no, I just lost my light. So yeah, I'm gonna get a light and then do that. Dang it. Alright guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. I know it's dark outside. I got my light in here. That's a little bit more gooder. I'm gonna get some of these welds done, some hammering, go up and check the front, probably get it moved around a little bit. Alright. Here we go. Here we don't go. Here we go. There you have it. Cab support, cab mount, welded back in. No, the welds are not pretty. It's hard to see even with that light, but you know, I wanted to get it done tonight. I wanted to get it finished up. It's been a hell of a week, hell of a weekend, so just wanted to get out here and get this finished, get your video out. I mean, step by step we're getting there. We got the frame painted up here. It looks really nice, actually. This truck's gonna be like brand new when I'm done. I'm really excited about the progress. I know we're not getting a ton done at one time. I only have so much time after work and on the weekends. My wife works on the weekends, so it's me and the kids on the weekends, and then I try to get out here Sunday evening. When I have a babysitter, I come out here Saturday, but and then I work through the week, so I try to get out here after work. So I know the progress isn't, you know, whole builds in just a couple of weeks, but for the time that we're able to have out here, I think we're doing pretty good. I'm trying to get as much done on the truck before the weather turns and gets cold and nasty. Then we can do some stuff in the garage. I got that transmission to rebuild. I got a lot more stuff to do to the engine. Plus, we'll probably get into some different things, you know, other places. Maybe find some junkyards or something to go do some willet runs, something cool. I'm not afraid of the cold. It's just, it's hard to work on stuff when it's snowing. So I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully we'll have I ain't even gonna say it, you know, I'm not gonna say what kind of summer I hope we have. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Leave me a comment. I like it when you guys leave me comments. I love responding and reading those. And I appreciate you guys very much. I appreciate the continued support, the continued growth. I look forward to the next one. Always remember, guys, if you're sitting around, so is your project. See you on the next one.